Welcome to Solution Focused World. Today we're going to cover using solution focused language for building. You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. Using solution focused language isn't all that hard as long as you remember that the whole point is to build hope and build forward. So throughout the whole conversation, you're going to be asking the people to describe what's different when it's working. What are signs when it's working? What do they notice when it's working? What else? When a lot of groups start meeting for the first time, they really want to usually set some kind of norm.
What rules do we need for our group?
Not exactly solution focused. A twist could be something like, what will successful meetings look like for us this year? And then get people to describe it. Conversely, on a day-to-day basis,
During the meeting, when you look over your agenda and you may say, okay, any questions? Let's get started. What's wrong with this phrase, by the way? Sounds fine.
although it's not bad, a solution-focused twist can be added that it makes everybody kind of stay on target and stay on topic. Doing something like, what are 3 things we need to do to get through these agenda points today? And it might be an emergency break initially, but it helps everyone keep forward and keep moving. During the middle, frequently there are disruptions. It happens. A common response would be something like,
Okay, folks, let's settle down and get back to our topic.
not solution focused. One thing you could do would be something similar though. You stop, you draw attention to the fact that you're kind of off track, but you do it in a positive way. You say something like, okay, what are 3 things that have gone well so far in this group? Okay, then after you listen to that for a minute where people share some ideas, then you springboard forward and what are 3 signs that we're going to finish strong? What do we need to see? Get them to talk about that and then go back to the agenda and build forward. However, what do you do about talkers? A common approach. Psst, psst, psst.
Joe, what do you think about differentiation?
It's good. Conversely, you could also try.
Try to make eye contact with the person, walk towards the person, and say, people, looking at our agenda, what are the most important things that we have covered so far?
And then you always have the blurters.
Wait, what about scaffolding?
Okay? And a common approach would be saying something like, good point. Let's finish differentiation before we get to scaffolding. Not terrible, but you could have a solution-focused twist.
Wait, what about scaffolding?
Okay? Good point. Before we get to scaffolding, what else will we see when differentiation is really working? And then at the ending, a common response, a common approach might be something like,
Okay, that's it. Have a great day.
okay? A solution-focused one would be,
All right, what were the 2 or 3 most important things that we covered today?
and this can be used in everyday normal conversations as well.
I finally passed my driving exam.
A common answer would be, good job, which kills conversation. A solution-focused twist would be,
I finally passed my driving test.
oh, that must have been tough. How'd you do it? Get them to give you descriptions. Another one would be,
What did you do today?
nothing. A solution-focused twist could be,
What were the 2 most important things that you did today?
and then they share it. And another one that parents and colleagues alike sometimes share,
She's always picking on me.
a common answer would be, well, then stay away from her. A solution-focused twist would be,
But she's always picking on me.
well, you guys were getting along really well the other day. What were you doing then?
Oh, I guess we just started chit-chatting.
And then you dig in for the descriptions, actions, and people involved. Solution-focused talk can be done in 2-minute conversations, 5-minute conversations. The whole point is for people to remember that you're dapping for descriptions, actions, and people to help them find the success and build forward. Here's the 2-minute conversation. And here's an example of a 5-minute one, where you're asking them to share specific details of the descriptions, actions, and people involved. And with the parting words of Steve DeShazer, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Also, if it doesn't work, do something different. If you're interested in learning more, please consider liking, sharing, or subscribing by clicking on the icons below, and stay tuned for upcoming segments. Thanks a lot.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.